Number 5. Samsung Q800T 8K TV. Real 8K with 16 times more resolution than HD TV. Concentrated zones of high contrast LED backlights. Intelligent upscaling automatically converts all of your content into stunning 8K resolution. TV dimensions, without stand 57W x 32.7H x 1D. Ask more from your TV. Just ask Alexa. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. LG ZX 8K OLED TV. LG's 8K OLED TVs meet the industry definition for 8K resolution. Over 33 million pixels emit their own light. Real 8K picture is made even more realistic with our AI processor. LG OLED TV is built for gaming. Connectivity technology, wireless. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Samsung QN800A Neo QLED 8K TV. Quantum matrix technology with mini LED. Upgrade every picture to 8K with multi-layered neural networks. Beauty derived from simplicity of design. Dynamic sound that tracks and follows on-screen action. Spectacular clarity brings the director's vision to life. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Sony Z8H 8K LED TV. 75Z8H 8K Full Array LED Smart TV. Powerful processor brings out the intense depth and detail of this 8K TV. See deeper blacks and brighter lights on a full array LED TV screen. Daco Gear 60W soundbar with subwoofer. This 8K LED TV brings home the big screen 8K experience. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Samsung QN900A Neo QLED 8K TV. Quantum matrix technology with mini LED. Samsung Neo Quantum Processor 8K. Dynamic sound that tracks and follows on-screen action. Witness extreme brilliance across the spectrum for lifelike colors. See details within the details with incredible clarity. Please check the description for details and best price.